Hey there, my name is Julie Fei-Fan Balzer, and I am a printmaker, a painter, and a collage artist living outside of Boston. So when I say I'm a printmaker, a painter, and a collage artist, I mean that I do all three of those disciplines, and sometimes I do just one straight at a time, just printmaking, just painting, just collage, and sometimes I combine them all together. Now, usually when I combine them all together, you get the pieces behind me, which are kind of like super busy, right? So something I've been working on this week is trying to find some ways to make them not quite so busy. So I'm going to show you in this video how I taped out the edges and then decided to take a really nice warm color and paint in some of the details, or paint out some of the details. Is it in or is it out? To see what I would get. Now, I'm not sure that I'm totally happy with the results, but this is an art process. And you know, one of the things I've learned the older that I've gotten, the more art that I've made, is that I don't really ever make art in one sitting now, right? To get to this point before I even started was a couple different days of printing and collage and all sorts of stuff. And then to kind of get it to the finish can also take another couple days, couple weeks. Sometimes things just need time to marinate, time for you to think about it, time for you to stare at it, all that kind of stuff. So this is what is going on this week for me. So I hope you enjoyed this quick peek into sort of what I'm working on, what I'm doing. I do want to mention that Design Bootcamp, my 6-week deep dive into the elements and principles of art, the thing that really transformed my art completely. So I offer this class every year. There is a daytime and an evening cohort. So I hope you'll check that out at juliebalzer.com. If you want to learn more about sort of why I'm making the decisions that I'm making as I work, then that is the class for you. If you want to look under the hood. Thanks so much.